Unemployment rate in Nigeria, according to the Nigeria Bureau of Statistics, hit a record high of 33.3% in the fourth quarter of 2020. To contribute its own quota of easing the burden on the government, the Nigerian Society of Engineers, Ikeja branch, and GetJob organized a job and career fair on Saturday, the 15th of January 2022 for the unemployed, with about 1,000 job seekers in attendance. The fair had about 12 blue-chip companies supporting it with scores of vacancy and openings, and HR personnel to rightly advise the applicants on what to do in securing jobs from such organizations, with some conducting live interviews for worthy candidates. According to Engineer Tosin Ogunmola, Chairman NSC Ikeja branch, who emphasized the importance of the fair and why it's coming at this time.
Hosting this event for us is very important, and that is why it is the first event for us in the year 2022. And we strategically fixed this for this period of the year, so indeed we can all go into the year on a very strong note. And that is actually the reason why we have put up an event like this.
Recruiters, facilitators, mentors, and resourceful personalities such as Mr. Bayomi Ali, Manufacturing Director, Unilever PLC, Mrs. Taiwo Dayo Abaton, Group Head, Human Capital Development, Primeral African Finance Company, Bimbo Oloyede, CEO, Strictly Speaking, and others took turns to enlighten the attendees on values, ethics, and other vital attributes needed to get a good job and maintain it.
Stop lamenting. Start thinking strategically. Do a personal SWOT analysis. Just write down what are your strengths, what are your weaknesses, what are your opportunities, what are your threats. And those things that you think are weaknesses and threats, find a way to turn them around to your advantage.
I want to say that your education is only the beginning. Your education, your university education, your polytechnic education is only the beginning. That is not the end of learning. We must continue to learn, and learn. And even after graduation, your test for knowledge should never stop. You should continue to seek for more knowledge. And when you seek for more knowledge, you gain more knowledge, you build your competencies more.
So who is your sponsor? Who is your mentor? How are you spending your time? How are you using the data available for you? So there are several platforms, Udemy, Coursera, LinkedIn have been mentioned. Go and sign up for courses. Beyond, okay, I'm a microbiologist. What else can you do? Because companies now want people who are multi-skilled.
I have a passion for self-development. And what you have come here today is not just to seek jobs, it's also to develop yourselves towards better jobs.
The convener and president of GetJob.com, Engineer Bamidele Idris, also said a lot about the event and the solution it brings.
The ones I know, we have about 6 job successes on the spot, and that's the beauty. And so many others have been called for interviews. So if you multiply those 6 lives by their dependents, it tells you the impact. And not only about jobs, it's also about the knowledge being shared. We had a lot of speakers from UK, we had speakers from Canada, we had speakers from the United States join us. We had a veteran journalist, Mrs. Bimbo Oloyede. So it's been awesome. And I'm sure that the participant that came here will never go back the same. And that's the beauty.
With continuous efforts from every stakeholder in the polity, this high unemployment rate can be seriously reduced before it becomes another unsurmountable hurdle in Nigeria.